Hi students, today we are going to have chapter on perimeter and area of quadrilaterals. Before we had on triangles, plane figures we are doing now. Now today's topic is quadrilaterals. There are some formulae in front of us. We have to read, learn and by heart. Formulae, first one, perimeter of a quadrilateral is equal to sum of all four sides. Four sides closed figure is called a quadrilateral. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We represent as small letters A plus B plus C plus D. So just adding all the four sides. Very simple. Perimeter of a quadrilateral. Coming to the second one. Area of a quadrilateral. Now we have to find area. In this there are two types of formulae. One is when one diagonal and a perpendicular from remaining vertices to the diagonal are given. One diagonal. Are you able to follow? Then area of a quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into one diagonal into sum of the lengths of perpendiculars on it from the remaining vertices. So half 1 by 2 into one diagonal into sum of the lengths of perpendiculars. Sum of the lengths of perpendiculars. A plus B. We think as A, we think as B. And diagonal we can write as D. So half D into, very simple. We can write as half D into, in easy method, half D into A plus B. Diagonal and sum of the lengths of perpendiculars on it from the remaining vertices. These are the remaining vertices. This is the diagonal. Opposite vertices. Diagonal means. Next. So this is first formula. Coming to the second formula. When diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect at right angles. This is quadrilateral A, B, C, D. And when they are intersecting 90 degrees. Right angles. At right angles. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half product of its diagonals. Here diagonals AC and BD are diagonals. In shortcut, if you want me to write means we can write as half D1 D2. First diagonal we call as D1 and next one we call as D2. So half of product of its diagonals. So very simple. The full meaning of this sentence is dependent on this formula and here the full explanation is dependent here. So now we have a clear cut idea, perimeter and areas. Now about rectangle. Already we know. So formula about this rectangle. First one, area of a rectangle, length into breadth, that is equal to L into B square units. 2 times we are multiplying, so square will come. Second one, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into L plus B units. 2 lengths will be there, 2 breadths will be there. Perimeter. Already in quadrilateral we have this also quadrilateral only. Rectangle. Third one, diagonal of a rectangle. You know diagonal. Opposite vertices, square root of L square plus B square, length square plus breadth square units. Coming to square, first one, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Usually we represent side with A, so 4 into A, 4A units. Second one, area of a square, side into side, A into A square, square units. Next. Third one, diagonal of a square, square root of A square plus A square. So square root of A square plus A square is 2A square. There is no square root for 2, but there is square root for A square. One A will come outside. So A root 2 units. Next, fourth one, this is also area of a square only. Here also area of a square. Here also area of a square. When diagonals are given. So half of, when diagonal is given, you have to do this one. Half of diagonal whole square. square units. These are the formula regarding rectangle and a square. Now formulas regarding parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. These are also quadrilaterals. Four sides closed figure. First one, area of a parallelogram. Base into height. When we multiply also here we will get square units. Next, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals, that we can write as half into d1 into d2 square units. Third one, area of a trapezium, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. Sum means addition, we have to add parallel sides into distance between them. So we can write as 1 by 2 into a plus b. A is one, b is another one. Sum means addition. So into distance means the height. Square units. These are the formulas. Please read, learn and by heart. Exercise 17b, first problem. Find the area of a quadrilateral, one of whose diagonals is 25 centimeters long and the lengths of perpendicular from the other two vertices are 16.4 centimeters and 11.6 centimeters respectively. So here solution given, what is given you write. One diagonal of a quadrilateral, one diagonal of a quadrilateral. How much they have given? 25 centimeters. We represent as D, diagonal 25 centimeters. Next, lengths of perpendiculars from the other two vertices are, think first one, A is equal to 16.4 centimeters and next one B 11.6 centimeters. That is the meaning of respectively. First one, second one. Now formula. Area of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD also you can write. Now that is equal to half into D into A plus B. Or in words also you can write half of the product of one diagonal into sum of the lengths of perpendiculars from the other two vertices. In words also. So 1 by 2 into 25 into 16.4 plus 11.6 square centimeters area. Now add first 16.4 plus 11.6. 10. You are adding here 1 decimal under decimal, 6, 7, 8. Here 28. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 25 into 28 square centimeters. Don't forget that one. This 2 goes here 14 times. Now multiply 25 into 14. 14 5s are 70, 0, 7, 28 means 35. You got how much means? Answer 350 square centimeters or centimeter square also correct only. Therefore, the area of a quadrilateral is equal to 350 square centimeters. Third problem. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 29 centimeters, BC is equal to 21 centimeters, AC is equal to 20 centimeters, CD is equal to 34 centimeters, and DA is equal to 42 centimeters. You can see the figure given in the problem. ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, you can see two scalene triangles. One is ABC is one scalene triangle, ACD is another scalene triangle. Find both separately and add. This is the way of doing this problem. Solution given. First find area of triangle ABC. In this ABC, AC 20 centimeters. Scale no side is equal. So area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So AB is equal to A, we will think 29 centimeters. BC we will think as B 21 centimeters. CA is equal to C, we will think, that is 20 centimeters. Now first find S. 29 plus 21 plus 20, add by 2, 50 plus 20, 70. So 70 by 2, how much? 35. So S we got 35. Now substitute, that is equal to square root of 35 into 35 minus 29 into 35 minus 21 into 35 minus 20. Now that is equal to square root of 35, you can write 35 into 6. 35 minus 29 is 6 into here 14. 35 minus 21 is 14 into 35 minus 20 is 15. 15. Now you can simplify clearly. Change into prime factors. That is the easy method. 35 you can write as 3 into 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 6 you can write as 2 threes are 6. And you can write 14 as 2 sevens are 14. And you can write 15 as 3 fives are 15. All you change into prime factors. 1, 2, 7 square into 5 square into 3 square into 2 square. Now 7 into 5 into 3 into 2. 7 3s are 21, 5 2s 10. So 210 square centimeters. So we got one triangle. One more triangle is remaining. We have to find that one. Now a triangle ACD is scalene triangle. Here also the same formula. Area of triangle ACD is equal to, no side is equal, so scalene. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. AC we are thinking as A 20 centimeters. CD is equal to B thinking 34 centimeters and DA, thinking as C, 42 centimeters. Now, here where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So, first we are going to find 20 plus 34 plus 42. Add and divide by 2. 54, 54, 56, 56, 96 by 2. 2 goes here, 48. So 48 centimeters. So S we got as 48 centimeters. Now substitute square root of 48 into 48 minus 20 into 48 minus 34 into 48 minus 42. That is equal to square root of 48 into 28. 48 minus 20 is 28 into here 14. 14 into subtract 48 minus 42 is 6. Now change everything into prime factors. Find for 48, 2 table goes 24 times, 2 table goes 12 times, 2 table goes 6 times, 2 table goes 3 times. So we got 2 to the power of 4 into 3. Now for 28 also find. 2 goes 14 times, 2 table goes 7 times. 2 square into 7 into 14 you can write as 2 sevens are 14. 6 you can write as 2 threes are 6. Now see how many 2's have come. Count. That is equal to square root of here 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power of 8, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Powers we are going to add 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 8. Next, coming to sevens. 7 into 7, 7 square. So 7 square into how many 3's? 1, 2, 3 square. So 3 square. Now we got 3 square. That is equal to, simplified, square root of, again square root no need because we are bringing, so 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 into 7 into 3. 2 to the power of 4 means 16. 16 into 7 into 3. Multiply. 16 sevens, 42, 4, 11 into 3. 2, 3, 6, 3, 3. So 336 square centimeters. Now we got 336 square centimeters. Now they are asking to find area of a quadrilateral ABCD. That is the question. So that is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC or ACD, whatever may be. Now how much you got for ABC? 210 square centimeters you got, and for triangle ACD 336 square centimeters. Add 546 square centimeters. 6, 4, 5. So 546 square centimeters. Fifth problem. Calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 24 centimeters, AD is equal to 32 centimeters, angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees, and BC is equal to CD is equal to 52 centimeters. ABCD is the quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, two types of triangles are there. DAB is a or BAD is a right angle triangle, and BDC or DBC is an isosceles triangle. How? Here two sides are equal, so isosceles triangle. Here 90 degrees is there, so 90 degrees right angle triangle. Two types of triangles are there. Now solution given. DAB is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. When you hear this word right angled triangle, immediately Pythagoras theorem comes. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Who told me? Pythagoras theorem. Compulsory you have to mention. Pythagoras theorem. What is hypotenuse in the triangle? BD. BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. We have to find BD square. AD how much? 32. 32 whole square plus AB is 24 whole square. That is equal to 32. 32s are 1024 plus 24. 24s are 576. Add. You will get 1600. So BD square is equal to 1600. BD is equal to square root of 1600. What is the square root of 1600 means? 4 4s are 16, for 2 zeros 1 0. So 40 centimeters. How much you got? 40 centimeters. Write that immediately here. 40 centimeters. We got BD. Now find area of triangle. Area of triangle DAB. Formula is half base into height. That is equal to half into base is 24 and height is 32. 2 goes 12 times. Square centimeters. Now 32 into 12. 12 4s are 24 to 36, 37, 38. So that is equal to 384 square centimeters. So one more triangle we have to find. Now DBC is an isosceles triangle. How you can identify isosceles triangle? When two sides are equal, we call it as isosceles triangle. So now we are going to find area. Area of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is the formula? 1 by 4 into B square root of 4A square minus B square. What is A? A means 40 and B is, sorry, equal sides are no, so B is 40 and A is equal to 2A. 1 minute, just. B is equal to 40 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal. A we will think 52 centimeters. Clarity should be there. So A and this is B. Now that is equal to 1 by 4 into 40 into square root of 4 into 52 whole square minus 40 whole square. 4 goes 10 times. So that is equal to 10 square root of 52 52s. Multiply 4, 10, 10, 25, 26. 4072 into 4. 4, 4, 16, 28 to 10. 10,816 minus 1600. 4 4s are 16, 2 more zeros. Subtract. 1600 subtract. Here you will get 6129. That is equal to 10 into square root of 9216. What is the square root of 9216 means 96. 96 into 96, that much. So 960 square centimeters. Otherwise find factors. That also you do, no problem. That is part and parcel of the problem. Finding what? Finding square root. Either prime factor method or division method. Bar for two digits, bar. 9 9s are 81. 1 here, again 1 more. So bar 16 will come down. 9 double is 18. So here 18. 18 goes 6 times. Here you write 6. 6 6 are 36. 3. 48, 51, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. So 0. Either prime factorization method or division, any one method you do, you will get 96. Now they are asking to find area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. Add area of triangle DAB plus area of triangle DBC. How much you got? 384 plus 960 square centimeters. Add 960 plus 384. How much you'll get means 14, 1344 square centimeters. This is the way of finding area of a quadrilateral. Ninth problem. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 3 by 5 kilometers and its length is twice its breadth. Find the area of the field in meters square. Do you know breadth first of all? We don't know. So when we don't know, we have to think as x. Let the breadth of a rectangular field be x. Are you able to follow? X meters you write. Now what will be the length? They told length is twice its breadth. Twice its breadth. Just now we thought breadth as x. So the length will be 2 into x. That is equal to 2x meters. Now they have given perimeter in the problem. Perimeter of a rectangular field. How much they have given? 3 by 5 kilometers. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. This is known. So 3 by 5 into 1000 meters. 5 2s are 10. 0 0. So 600 meters. Indirectly they have given. Like that we have found 600. Now we know the formula of perimeter of a rectangular field. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Now compare. that is equal to 2 into length how much? 2x. Length is 2x and breadth is x meters, because we are adding 2 into x plus 2x is 3x meters, that is equal to 6x meters. This is we have done in the problem, from problem, and this is given in the problem. So both we are going to solve, simplify it. Now both perimeters we are comparing. 6x is equal to 600, both are meters. So x is equal to 600 by 6 goes 100 times. So x we got 100 meters. What we thought? X. Therefore breadth is equal to, we got 100 meters. And we thought length how much? 2x. Length is equal to 2x. That is equal to 2 into 100. 200 meters. Now they are asking to find area of the rectangular field. Area of the rectangular field. Formula: length into breadth. In shortcut we can write as L into B. That also correct only. So length into breadth. Length how much? 200. Breadth how much? 100 meters square. Multiply. 2 ones are 2. 4 zeros you have to write. So 20,000 meters square or square meters. 20,000. Right. Therefore the area of the rectangular field is equal to 20,000 meters square. 10th problem. A rectangular plot 30 meters long and 18 meters wide. Wide means breadth. Width is to be covered with grass, leaving 2.5 meters all around it. Find the area to be laid with grass. Now draw rectangle. Draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Now they are asking to leave 2.5 meters around, not one side, around. So we have to leave 2.5 meters. For what? For laying grass. So leaving 2.5 meters all around it. This should be covered with grass. Grass. Find the area. This we have to leave, and grass should be here. This is the part we have to leave, and here the grass should be laid. So what is this area they are asking? The length they have given is 30 meters. 30 meters. And this covered with is to be covered, leaving how much? 2.5. This is 2.5 meters. And this also 2.5 meters. Around it 2.5 meters. And here also 2.5 meters around it. We have to leave this area. Now what will be length inside means here 2.5 and here 2.5. How much? 5. So 30 minus 5 is 25 meters. The length decreases. In the same manner, width also. Here 2.5, here 2.5 means 5. And breadth they have given 18 meters. From 18, if you subtract 5, you will get 13 meters. How you got 13 means 18 minus 5. Here 30 minus 5. Uniform width. Uniform we are leaving. Now they are asking to find the area to be laid with grass. Only this area we have to find. So solution given. What is given means length of outer rectangular plot. How much they give? 30 meters. Next, breadth of outer rectangular plot. How much they have given? 18 meters. Now, leaving 2.5 meters all around it to be covered. So, all around it means, now inner rectangle, length of inner rectangle, length of inner rectangle, inner rectangular plot, (30 minus), for clear cut idea, here 2.5, there 2.5, so 2.5 plus 2.5, that is equal to 30 minus 5, 25 meters. Next, breadth of inner rectangular plot, that is equal to 18 minus, here also the same, 2.5 plus 2.5, both sides if you remove, the width or breadth will decrease. 18 minus 5, that is equal to 13 meters. They are asking area to be laid with grass. Area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Length how much we got now? 25. Breadth how much we got? 13 meters square. 13 5s are 65. 5 6. Here 26 plus 6 32 meters square. Are you able to follow? 26 plus 6 32. Therefore, the area to be laid with grass is equal to 325 meters square. Write that conclusion. 11th problem. A footpath of uniform width runs all around inside of a rectangular field, 45 meters long and 36 meters wide. If the area of the path is 234 meters square, find the width of the path. This is the rectangular field. Length how much they have given? 45 meters, and breadth they have given 36 meters, and a path is running inside. How much we don't know, with some width. Path, uniform path, so everywhere it should be same. Here we don't know how much, so x meters, x meters, x meters, x meters. Uniform path, that is the meaning of that one. So inside length will be 45 minus 2x, because here one x, there another x. So here x, there x, if you subtract 45 minus 2x meters. Coming to inside, here one x and here, so inside will be 36 minus 2x. Write clearly. 36. minus 2x meters. That is the figure A, B, C, D, rectangle. Now, solution given. Length of outer rectangular field How much? Is equal to 45 meters. Next, breadth of outer rectangular field. Outer rectangular field is equal to 36 meters. Now area of a rectangular field. What is the formula? L into B, length into breadth. 45 into 36 meters square. Multiply. 45 into 36. 6 5s are 30. 24, 27, 15, 1, 13. So 0, 12, 1, 6. 1620 meters square. Now we got area of outer rectangular field. Here you have to write area of outer. This is, we have to find the inner also. So outer rectangular field. Write the conclusion there. Now length of inner rectangular field. Inner rectangular field is equal to, how much you got? 45 minus 2x meters. How I explain? Here 1x, there 1x, reduce, minus. Reduce means minus. The distance will decrease. Next, breadth of inner rectangular field. Inner rectangular field. How much? 36 minus 2x meters. Now here x, there x, 2x. So 36 minus 2x meters. Write that clearly. Now area of inner rectangular field is equal, what is the formula? Length into breadth. That is equal to 45 minus 2x into 36 minus 2x. Just now we have multiplied. 45, 36 are 1620. Plus into minus, minus. 45 2s are 90. So 90x. Now with plus, minus into plus, minus. 236 are 72x. Minus into minus, plus. 2 2s are 4. X into x, x square, meter square. Now simplify it. 4x square minus, both are same. So minus 162x plus 1620 meter square. Keep bracket. This meter square is for all. Now we got, before we got area of outer rectangular field, now we got area of, now they are asking to find area of the path. Area of the path is equal to area of outer rectangular field minus area of inner rectangular field. We got outer as 1620 minus of inner 1620 minus 162x plus 4x square. Send minus inside, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Plus and minus get cancelled and remaining is minus 4x square plus 162x square. Whole, for whole you have to keep meter square. This is the area of the path. Given in the problem is area of the path. How much they gave? 234 meters square. And how much we got through problem? Area of the path minus 4x square plus 162x. Both you compare. 234 is equal to minus 4x square plus 162x. Bring everything to left side. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, plus 234 is equal to 0. 2 table is common. You can cancel 2 table. So 2x square minus 81x plus 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are. Now for how much you have to find factors? 117 into 2. Same. 14, 3, 2. When you now area of the path given in the problem is 234 meters square, and area of the path we found, we got minus 4x square plus 162x. Both you are comparing. We have to compare. So 234 is equal to minus 4x square plus 162x. Bring right hand side to left hand side. Minus becomes plus 4x square, plus becomes minus 162x plus 234 is equal to 0. 2 table is common. 2 2s are 2, 81s are 2, 117s are. So 2x square minus 81x plus 117 is equal to 0. Now we have to find factors for 2 into 117, that is 234. When we multiply, plus 234 should come. When we simplify, minus 81 should come. In such a way you have to take factors. Minus 78 minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 78 3 is 234. Here minus 78 minus 3 is minus 81. Apply. 2x square minus 78x minus 3x plus 117 is equal to 0. Take 2x common. So x minus 39 will become. Here minus 3 you take common, x minus 39. What comes in the first bracket? As it is. So on the whole, x minus 39 is common in first term and second term, and remaining is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. When it will be 0? X minus 39 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 39 going from left to right is plus 39, x is equal to 39, or 2x is equal to 3, that implies x is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 meters. Here 39 we are not taking. Why? The breadth of the rectangular field only 36 meters. Here we got 39. So never it won't be more than that one. So we are going to take 1.5. Therefore the width of the path x is equal to 1.5 meters.